Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a room tour here at the Candlewood Suites at Anaheim, California. We just have a day visit at Disneyland today and tomorrow, so we decided to stay overnight. But this category here that we booked is a one queen studio suite here at the Candlewood Suites. So it's going to be very quick because it's a small place. Well, maybe we'll see. Anyway, right when you walk in, you're greeted with a refrigerator. This is kind of like your dorm style or kind of roommate style, apartment style. It's very, very short, probably like 5 feet, maybe. Anyway, very small refrigerator. We've already kind of put two things in here, just our energy drinks. And then right next to it, you have a kitchenette. Don't mind the bag there and the water, that's ours. But sink here and the cabinets here, they do provide you with some stuff for cooking. This came with the room, salt and pepper, coffee mugs, plates. And it's set up for just like 2 people. That's it. Because they only give you like 2 of everything and, you know, no more. They're like, you can't have more than 2 people here. And I'm like, okay, whatever, that's fine. Anyway, and we also have a microwave and stainless steel. Not bad, not bad. I like it. And a 2-burner stovetop right over here. It also has this pot right here. That's our Trader Joe's bag. And then they have some items for cooking, you know, your dish towels and whatnot. And over here, a couple little amenities. You have your teas over here, sugar, popcorn, and your coffee, Folgers, the best part of waking up.
Gross.
Right down here, you have a dishwasher to wash all 4 of your dishes, but you know, it is a dishwasher. They're going to provide that for you. So this is more set up for, I would say, like a extended kind of stay. If you're going to be up here for a few days, maybe a week long visit at any of the theme parks up here in Anaheim. Anyway, in here you do have, again, some silverware. 2 of everything. They really doubled down on the 2 of everything. They're like, no more than 2 people in this place. Oop, let's turn that burner off, huh? Same thing, some more utensils. And these drawers are actually soft closed, which is pretty nice. And some pots and pans down there. That one is soft closed all the way, but okay. So that's the kitchenette area over here. All right, now we're gonna move on to, let's go to the closet, since we're over in this kind of area here. And inside the closet, the door will not stay open, but inside the closet, there is a laundry basket. We also have an iron with the ironing board, some hangers, a dryer bag. There's a safe back there, and also there's a luggage rack right here as well. So that's going to be the closet that's right next to the door, next to the fridge and the kitchenette. Closet. All right, moving on. So let's move on to this desk area over here. So it's a kind of an L-shaped desk, fairly big actually. So if you are going to be coming up here and working, doing any editing or vlogs or whatever it may be, work, if it's extended stay, you have this pretty big desk area to actually work, and there's 2 chairs in here. So you have an office chair and then you have a regular scoot ski chair right over here. Yeah, and then 2 people can eat over here as well. And a guide here, and it has some instructions on like what they have here. So some of their amenities. Super awesome. There's a light over here. Let's turn on this light. Get a little more light in the room. Phone right over here. You have an outlet right over here. thermostat here, but I don't think that seems to be working, which is fine. And your TV, I'd say this is like a 50-inch TV. Maybe. Yeah, we'll say 50. So we have a 43 and it's a little smaller than that. So I'm gonna say this is a 50-inch TV, and this is LG. It looks like they have DirecTV here too, because there's a DirecTV remote. And then a channel guide list right here. Inside the drawers, we have nothing, as Whitney Houston said. And we also have the AC unit and also the heater right over here, which is nice. It was blowing ice cubes out here when we walked in. It was so cold. So this is there's icicles forming on the ceiling. That's how cold it was. But it was nice. It was really nice. All right, so we are actually situated on the 6th floor, and we're facing kind of north-ish, sort of, kind of. So it's not the best view, but you know what? We can actually see the park from here. So right over yonder on the 6th floor. And by the way, this is room 635. So I don't know if you guys can see that right over there, but we do have the Matterhorn right over there. And you can also see Space Mountain. I can see maybe a little bit of downtown Disney. I can see the House of Blues, but that's not on Disney property. Fun fact though, the House of Blues used to be in downtown Disney. Where Splitsville it currently sits. That's where a House of Blues was. And we used to make a trip out there, or up here, back when we were babies, kiddos ourselves, in our 20s, up here to the House of Blues. Anyway, that's a fun fact for y'all. That's kind of telling our age too. But we are kind of looking north-ish along the mountains. There's the freeway, the Viv hotel sits right over there. That is the 5 freeway heading northbound and southbound. And like I said, we're just facing the parking lot. So we're going to zoom out, probably, maybe. There it goes. Time for new gimbal, guys. Be sure and hit that like button, comment and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti so we can afford a new gimbal for us and bring you HD content. Not that this isn't HD, this is 4K, but anyway. Moving on. We have a queen bed. That's what we got today, queen bed. We didn't get a double. It wasn't 2 queen beds. We just got 1. They had switched our room to 2 queen beds and we were like, we just need 1. 2 queen beds would have been fine. But I mean, we're a married couple, so I don't know. We don't sleep in separate beds ever. TMI probably. Anyway, so over on this side, which would be my wife's side of the bed, we have a light and a nice little card from Teresa. That's the person who cleaned our room today.
Thank you, Teresa.
Thank you, Teresa. And on the alarm clock here, it does have USB, 4 USB, and then 3 regular outlets. This is really nice to have over here. And a nice little night table over here. And then on my side, which I do not have a night table on a nightstand, but I do have a, what my wife called hospital recliner. And this actually this looks like it's gonna recline a little bit too. So if you are here and you're like, hey, I wanna recline, I wanna relax, but I don't wanna sit in the bed, you can always use that option and recline and chill and enjoy the 50-inch TV over there. And then next to it is this big old lamp, which I'm going to have to move to the other side of that chair there because that's right on top of my head when I roll out of bed. So over here, a nice little place to hang your coats. And finally, we're going to make our way into the bathroom. All right. So in the bathroom, this is our moisturizer, so don't mind that. But you have a nice place to store your overnight bags, which we need to unpack, and we're going to put them up there. We have some towel hangers. right over here. 1 cup, not 2 cups to wash your mouth. Makeup remover and a makeup towel. Hand soap, which is Dove. I like the smell of Dove. I don't know about you guys, but I do like it. Faucet, of course. And then down here, they give you some tissue paper, extra roll of toilet paper, and you have your trash can right over here underneath the sink. And then down here, you have a hair dryer. And then they only gave us 2 towels. Again, they tripled down. They got the trifecta on just 2 of everything. But just 2 towels there for us today. We'll order some more. Toilet paper, here goes your toilet. Don't mind that, that's ours. Tissue box, a couple of hand towels and face towels. And it's not like a huge tub. This isn't the biggest tub that we've ever dealt with, but it's nice to have a tub because we don't have, well, we have a tub at home. We don't use our tub at home because it's actually not this big. It's a little bit narrower, I think. But, not rainfall shower, it is shower. Let's check the water pressure. All right, the water pressure seems to be all right. So that's gonna be a win in our books. Turn that off. All right, so over here we have some Dove products. Body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And then a nice mat for the tub, for the shower portion. All right, so that's actually gonna do it for our room tour today. Again, this is the Candlewood Suites here in Anaheim, California, next to Disney. Again, we are not even a stone's throw away from Disney. We can see it. I can smell churros. I can't smell churros, don't quote me on that. But we're right next to Disneyland. We are seriously like 2 blocks away from Disney. So this is a really good alternative. The staff was fantastic checking us in. They actually checked us in super early. Check-in is until 3 o'clock. We checked in at 11:30 and we are about to head over to the parks. But thank you guys so much for watching our room tour. Again, this is Exploring Yeti and family here with another room tour. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our videos, and check out some more room tours or our vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you again. Have a fantastic day, morning, afternoon, evening, and we'll see you again. Good night.